YouTube increases the duration of YouTube Shorts video from 1 minute to 3 minutes. So now you can have longer shots. OpenAI launches a new interface called Canvas that could be especially useful for writing and coding. Google says users will start seeing ads inside AI overview of Gemini and also inside Google Lens searches. We are officially entering the AI era in advertising. October has been quite a busy month in the social media and the AI space, so we've got more details about these three and a couple of news items from Meta and WhatsApp. All of this coming up in this week's edition of the Connected Church News with me, Natchi Lazarus. Welcome. This is the show that brings you the top 5 digital, social media, AI, and emerging tech news that you need to know for this week in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. Meta added multiple features into Facebook app, Messenger, and an AI feature coming to Facebook groups. First, regarding Facebook, they are adding 3 new tabs: Local, Explore, and Video tab. The Local tab is where I want you to pay attention because this is designed to make users discover local events like church services or ministry events or meetings. The video tab is a full screen video reels discovery tab. Regarding Messenger, it is getting a new feature called Communities, which is like Facebook groups or more like WhatsApp groups. It seems like Meta is bringing all their learning from WhatsApp into Messenger, which is a good thing. The final important news is about Groups AI. This AI will go through all the details, question, answers, and information that was shared on our Facebook groups historically and be able to answer any question people might have. OpenAI has had a big October so far. First of all, they closed one of the largest venture capital rounds of all time by raising $6.6 billion at a valuation of a massive $157 billion. But the news that is more relevant for us is about a new interface called Canvas, which they launched last week. This is a split screen kind of an interface where you can, on one side, chat with ChatGPT and on the other side, actually see it work on a document. OpenAI says that this is much more suitable for certain writing and coding applications that requires a lot of iteration. For example, instead of asking ChatGPT to rewrite the entire document, you can now select just the heading or just one paragraph and ask ChatGPT to make it better or give it a different tone or correct it. Just a few days ago, something like this was launched by Claude and it's called Artifact. Google made 2 announcements. One is about Gemini Live, which is a voice chat. You can just talk to Gemini like you would have a normal conversation with a person. That's the new advanced voice mode that all AI companies are coming up with. But the unique thing that Google is bringing to the table is their ability to expand this to multiple new languages. So Gemini Live is coming with 40 new language capability. The next big announcement is about advertisements inside AI-driven search. When Google adopts something like this, to me, it's like a beginning of a new era in digital advertising. So far, there was advertising and then there was AI, but now they're coming together. Google says that users who search for things on Google and get an AI overview will now start seeing ads inside overview, and they will also see ads when they search for something using Google Lens. This news episode is brought to you by Connected Church Academy. Connected Church Academy is an education hub for the faith-based community. So if you are a leader or a media team member or even a volunteer in your church or your ministry or a nonprofit or a faith-based organization, then this is something you might want to check out because this will help you grow in your media knowledge. Therefore, you can contribute more meaningfully to the organization that you're involved with. You can check out more details by visiting cca.live. We'll also make sure that you find this link in the description of wherever you're listening to me. WhatsApp video calls and WhatsApp status get an upgrade with a couple of new features. First, about video calls, you now have the option to add 10 different filters or 10 different backgrounds. Whether it's a one-on-one call or a group call, you can now have these filters and backgrounds. Whether it's for fun or for protecting your privacy by hiding your surroundings during the call, especially in a group call like a prayer call or anything like that. The next update is about WhatsApp status. WhatsApp status gets a new feature called likes, where somebody can give you a like when they look at your status. The important thing is these likes are private and do not have a counter as well. So only the person who has posted that status will know that you have liked it. The next feature is called private mentions. When you post a status, you mention someone and only that person can see that they have been mentioned. A nice way to get the attention of a few people when you post status. YouTube announced new features that are coming to YouTube Shorts. From a ministry perspective, two of them are big ones. First is YouTube Shorts duration is going up from 1 minute to 3 minutes. So you can now upload videos that are 3 minutes long, which is great because as churches and ministries, we always have extra explanations to our messages. So any extra time that we get is good, according to me. Plus, it also gives you a little room for creativity. You can add a little more content. You can explain things a bit more in detail. The next big announcement is about your ability to access other videos, other YouTube videos as a source for you to create YouTube Shorts. Sometimes you just want to pick clips from various other YouTube videos, maybe your own videos or somebody else's videos, and use them as an inspiration or as a remix for your own YouTube Shorts, right? So now YouTube says you can easily discover it right from your Shorts camera. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, then it's a good time for you to hit that subscribe button so that you're always on top of the latest social media, AI, and emerging tech news related to faith-based organizations.